What's up, guys and girls? How you doing? So today we'll be unboxing our brand new Jupiter card, right? Jupiter right here. So for those of you who do not know what Jupiter is, well, here's a crash course. Jupiter Money is a one-stop solution for all your banking and financial needs. Greek and Latin, right? I know. So let me give you an example. So you recently joined a job, got your first paycheck, partied a lot, and now you're looking, okay, where do I park my excess funds? Well, Jupiter Money is the solution. With its proprietary app and its well-rounded investment options, you get to see almost everything, right from the benefits of investing to how much do you need to invest so that to have a certain amount of corpus to where to invest, right? Well, if I had this when I was growing up, boss, I would have become a millionaire by now. Anyways, so it's not just about investing, right? So also decisions like, do I need to take out a loan, or if I should, how much should I invest, where should I invest, etc. So all these decisions, Jupiter is your one-stop solution for this. So, anyways, just investing, that's a little boring, isn't it? What's the best part about all of this? Well, this is Jupiter is the banking solution for millennials, right? So you don't have to visit the bank branch even once in your life. Wonderful, isn't it? And I'm not even talking about the cash packs that you get on all your purchases. Anyway, so now that you're aware of Jupiter, let's get to the best part of this video and unbox this little gem here. So as you can see, nice little packet, cool design, minimalistic design, goes with the philosophy. Let us quickly go ahead and open this baby up. Oh, feels really premium. Lights, camera, unbox. So that's what we're doing here. And there you go. So what do you have here? You have this wonderful little spaceman, of course, with the Jupiter logo, and you have this wonderful little booklet, finally, banking, that you can keep up. And finally, here's your booklet that tells you everything about what you need to do, how you need to do it, what are the benefits. You have a clear path that has been laid out for you. This is the card here. We'll open that in a minute. You have your base camp here, tells you what is your destination and at what point you need to go there. How do we go about doing stuff? This is a nice little journey that tells you almost everything that you need to know about your financial banking and financial needs, right? And this little gem here, I really love this guy. The spaceman on Jupiter, right? Although Jupiter is a gas giant, you technically wouldn't be able to stand there. But well, this is a depiction, isn't it? Anyways, so let us open this booklet here. Get set goals. You have this nice little things that you can tag your equipment with. You can put it on your laptops, your office laptops, on your cars, or wherever you want to put it, actually, basically on your phone, right? And here's the nice little feedback form that and a little bit about how you like to spend your how you basically spend your money on, right? Now for the best part, let us just quickly open this card. There you go. Minimalist, a chip, the name Jupiter, your name. Nothing else is there anywhere else on this. The card number, etc., are on the back. I'm not going to show you that, but this is what it is. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let's connect for the next one. Till then, bye.